On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you how I make a little juice. It's like a little cleanse. Also, it's like a little cleanse, and also it's a little energy. It cleanses you and then it energizes you. Remember, let me put this disclaimer on. I am not a dietitian. I'm not a, what do you call it, juice, whatever, expert. It's just something that I do at home with various types of vegetables and herbs and stuff, so I'm just sharing with you. Here I'm using green cucumbers, I'm using a beet, I'm using a huge carrot. I'm going to be using some lime juice. I don't have access to lemon like that, but I think it's fine. I have here some kale, green leafy vegetables, and I have also some celery. Everything is washed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with all the more chewier ones, which is I have here also a small piece of turmeric. I have ginger here also, so I'm gonna get them all sliced. So I'll go in with the beets, the carrots, and the turmeric and the ginger. So I'm gonna go in, my hands are clean, I'm making my own juice. So I'm gonna go in with my carrots. These are more chewy than everything else. I'm gonna go with my carrots and my beets to get that base, which is gonna be, you know, more thicker, and everything, carrots and beets right in. I've had about just 1 cup of water right there. So I'll strain this right now. And I'm not gonna be pressing it. If you want to use your juice extractor, you could, because you would not have to strain. But when I put in my green leafy vegetables and my cucumbers, I will not be straining. So I'm straining this from now. All done. My cucumbers going in. Also, I'll be just rinsing up these a bit. I just leave with the stalks and everything. Put in probably another half a cup of water. Add in about 2 tablespoons of lime juice or lemon, if you please, and I'm going back to finish my blending. So this is your color. You see the power of the greens. You see, I just use a few leaves of kale and a little celery, and the green cucumber. This is your red and vibrant the beets were. So this is the power of the greens. Now this is the color you'll have. You're gonna remove these froth. Before you move it, let it subside a bit, and then you remove the excess. I'll pour for you now, so you'll see what it looks like. You see that consistency? You see that iron look? You see that tonic look? Okay. You might maybe want to add a sweetener if you want to add a little piece of pineapple or anything fruity, but it's up to you. You can, all that I use, you can read up on them and try to know the benefits of all of them. Add what you want to add, put what you want to put. So as I go through my day, if I'm having a really hectic day working, I would just go along. I would not just drink it down like this. I don't drink it. You have to. And this is good. It doesn't taste tardy. The lime is there to just, you know, everything is good. You saw me use kale and celery, and you know that those would make it tardy, but actually it's not. So as I go through my day, I would just sip a little. Also, as soon as I sip a little, I would have my bottle of water, and I would take the same amount of water as the amount of sip I take from my juice. I don't drink it down. This will take me a pretty good 45 minutes to finish. If you're going on the road, if you're doing it for the very first time and you're going on the road, I would suggest you do it after you come back, because everybody's body is different. What I find with this, as I drink it like this, it goes through my system, pulls out toxins that you don't even know is there, and also as you pull the toxin, it pulls the toxin out, and you drink the water, it flushes the system and energizes, flush out the toxins and energizes your system. Tell me what you do for your flush. Tell me, after all this holiday eating, what you do for flush out your system, what you do, and what do you use to energize your body. Remember, I am not any dietitian, I'm not a juice-tician, not at all. I'm just sharing with you what I use. Hope you do like this video. If you did, leave me a comment below, and if you'd like to try it and let me know. Thanks for watching.